Life hack. What are you doing? Life hack. Good morning, everyone. Today is a Tuesday and it's very freaking rainy out. I'm currently going to Dublin today, and I'm going to Dublin because I'm going to London, so I'm going to the airport. It's 11:16, I'm pretty sure, and my bus is at 11:30. What's wrong with me? My bus is at 11:30. Just said I would bring you along today to see what it's like on my travels to London. I think you will enjoy it. Show you how I get there, what I do, who I travel with, just the usual things that go with going to London for me. So I always travel alone because I always go to see a person or people. And yeah, my friends live over there, and yeah, I hope you can enjoy this. So I've landed in London and my hair turned into this. So yeah, people always look at me when I do this, but I just have to get used to it. I have to pretend I'm on FaceTime to somebody. So yeah, waiting on my train. Good morning, everyone. I am so sorry that I didn't actually vlog yesterday because I was traveling a lot and I knew it would be difficult. But it was actually extra difficult because, like, if I wanted to vlog on the plane, people were watching me. And, like, once I was on a plane, I was just saying on my phone, my memory went, so I have to move over to this, which I don't really love because I have no viewfinder in this camera and I can't see everything. And I think it shows me up really flipped or something. But yeah, I was on a plane once and I was like taking pictures on Snapchat of the plane because it was like one of the new Ryanair planes. And my friend Camille, shout out to Camille, hey Camille, he loves planes. And I was like, oh, I have to take pictures of the plane to show Camille. And then this lady like accused me of taking pictures of her. I wasn't taking pictures of the old woman. Like, who the frick does that? Who takes pictures of an old woman? Like, I don't want pictures of her. And that kind of scared me. And I said, like, I'd never take pictures on a plane again. So I didn't really get much footage of my journey here, but basically I took every form of transport there freaking is in the world to get here. Look at these pretty flowers I bought yesterday. So pretty. Okay, let's film it quickly before the battery goes again.
Okay, you talk about it.
So we purchased the Nespresso Inicia for obviously Nespressos. So they're like not full-sized coffees, they're little shots of coffee. And it was £50 in John Lewis, and we're so happy with it. And on this side, focus, we have our pods in a stand, 2 cups that we got in IKEA, dimes in a little thing we got in IKEA, got the dimes in IKEA, and then we have our fridge with, oops, the wine fell, our milk and some drinks and food for our barbecue later. So we're going to unbox this now and see what she looks like. Oh, look at it. Is that for the water?
Yeah,
it must be.
That's for the water.
I'm so glad we got a little jug so we can fill it up.
Yeah, and this is the big cup, the lungo I think it's called, and this is the small shot of it. Cool. And then this comes out and that holds all the pods, empty pods.
Wow. What's the sticker for?
It's a serial number. We'll stick it on the box and take it off of this.
Okay. Do I plug it in?
Yeah.
I want to fill the jug with water as well so we can... where does that go?
No, that's to open it and close it. Oh. So you just go like that.
Cool. And what's this thing for?
It's just slides. It's just a design. And then yeah, you just fill it up. And that's it.
Cool. I love it so much. So we have progressed. I filled the bottle up of wet water. And we also got some sugar, some tea bags, a spoon, a tea, one for tea, a mug for tea. What else do we get? That's it. So we're gonna fill the machine with water. Oops. Not that there. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I feel like I'm gonna drop it. Oh my lord. We're probably meant to clean it first. Sure I will. It smells kind of plasticky, but whatever. It looks kind of cloudy to me. Does it not to you? Oh no, just because it was moving a lot. So now what happens?
Now,
how do you put the shot in?
Which one? You just go like this.
Okay, so what one?
Which one do you want to go for?
What's that one?
That's the caramel one.
Go for the caramel.
Okay. If my memory serves me correctly, you put it in there. It's going to take a while to heat up. We need to make sure it's on. When it's flashing, I don't think it's ready. Yeah. Like that. Right. That's fine. Let go. And do you want a big one?
No, go for the small.
You sure?
Why? Will the big one fill it?
No.
Will it overflow?
No.
Okay, go. The water. Is it meant to make that noise? Oh my god, the water heats instantly. Holy shit, that's so cool. Oh my god, it smells amazing. That's so freaking cool. I love it. I am mind blown. How does it heat the water like instantly? Oh my god, I love it. Holy shit.
Now,
that is so cool. Now it's time to taste it. Do you put anything in it?
battery exhausted.
Okay.
Huh? You can put sugar in it if you want.
We are going to the shops right now. It's so warm here. We are going to get a poster for our coffee bar. And it's going to go up here. So that's what we're doing now.
There. You're going to want to get it. It's covered in flowers.
What's on it?
Flowers.
I don't know.
Yeah.
That is cool. How weird to them.
That's class.
That is class.
Curious to say that.
So cute!
Ah, it's lovely on this type of day.
Isn't it? So we got these free mini cans of Coke. And not sponsored.
Not spun.
And that Yoki, will you hold it up because I can't?
Yeah, I nearly dropped my can.
A free 500ml bottle.